In 2026, I commit to speaking with honesty, knowing that respect and integrity achieve far more than confrontation. I acknowledge my faults, the threats, reckless rhetoric, and the mistrust they caused. Crossed lines that should never be crossed, disrespected sovereignty, reopened wounds instead of healing them. No, for this, I offer a clear and unconditional apology to you, Eritrea. There are no reasons, no needs, no excuses, and no justifications for what I did. In 2026, I will choose restraint over aggression, dialogue over demands, and peace over conflict. This is not weakness. This is responsibility. 2026 is the year I change. I've heard similar promises before that fell short. Let's prove those doubts wrong together. I remain skeptical, but cautiously hopeful. Let's work together to find a solution. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year if I don't see you before the end of the year. Ethiopia. Thank you, Eritrea. Same to you.